In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay multiple supplier bills by generating an ABA file and uploading it to your Australian online banking portal. This is a simple way to process several bill payments more efficiently, especially if you want to avoid entering each payment manually one at a time. The basic idea is that you'll first choose the unpaid bills inside your system, create an ABA payment file from them, and then upload that file into your bank so the payments can be completed. To get started, go to the Bills area by navigating to Business and then Bills to Pay. This is where you'll find the list of supplier bills that are still outstanding. Take a moment here to review what's due and make sure you're looking at the correct unpaid bills before moving on. It's a good habit to quickly confirm that the bill amounts and suppliers look right, because the payment file you generate will be based on these selections. Once you're ready, select the bills you want to pay by checking the boxes next to each unpaid bill. You can choose one bill or multiple bills, depending on what you need to process. After selecting them, click Make Payment. This tells the system that you're preparing these bills to be paid together. If you're paying several suppliers at once, this step helps keep everything organized and reduces the chance of missing a bill. Next, choose the bank account you want to use for the payment. Make sure this is the correct payment account, because it will be linked to the ABA file that gets created. After that, export the ABA file. This file contains the payment instructions that your bank will use to process the selected bills. It's a good idea to save the file somewhere easy to find, such as a secure folder you regularly use for payment processing, so you can quickly access it in the next step. Finally, log into your Australian online banking portal and upload the ABA file to complete the payments. The exact upload screen may vary depending on your bank, but generally you'll be looking for a file upload or batch payments option. Once uploaded, review the payment details in the bank portal carefully before submitting, just to make sure everything matches your expectations. And that's it. You've selected unpaid bills, generated